Hello, good day. How are you today? You're good, right? Okay. Are you ready for today's lesson? You are? That is good. Today in civic education, we are going to be looking at national unity. Okay? Our topic for today in civic education is on national unity. Are we ready for the lesson? So in today's lesson, under national unity, we are going to be looking at diversity and inclusion, cultural exchange and understanding, education for national unity, and lastly, conflict resolution and social responsibility. Okay? So we are ready, right? So first, let's look at the meaning of national unity. National unity refers to the state of harmony and cohesion within a nation, where its citizens, regardless of their diverse backgrounds, share a common sense of identity, purpose, and belonging. It involves a collective commitment to the well-being of the entire nation, fostering a spirit of togetherness and mutual respect among the population. Do you understand? National unity means that people in a country work together and get along despite their differences. It's like a shared feeling of belonging and teamwork where everyone cares about the well-being of the whole nation. This includes having common values, traditions, and goals to make the country strong and successful. Okay? National unity is characterized by the shared understanding of values, traditions, and goals contributing to the stability, strength, and prosperity of the country as a whole. Do you understand that? So we now know the meaning of national unity, right? So national unity is about how people in a country come together even if they are different. It involves talking about things we all share, like values, symbols, and traditions that make us feel like we are part of the same nation. Okay? It's like saying, hey, let's work as a team and celebrate what makes us uniquely us, all while being one big community. Do you understand? Now let's look at diversity and inclusion. Diversity is about recognizing and appreciating the differences in race, ethnicity, gender, age, abilities, and more within a group or community. Inclusion goes a step further by actively ensuring that everyone has an equal opportunity to participate, contribute, and feel valued. Together, they foster a sense of belonging and unity in a community or society. Do you understand? Diversity and inclusion mean embracing and respecting differences among people. Diversity acknowledges the variety in backgrounds, cultures, and perspectives, while inclusion ensures that everyone feels valued and included regardless of their differences. It's about creating a welcoming environment where individuals or various identities can contribute and thrive. Okay? Do you get what I'm saying? Diversity and inclusion mean recognizing how awesome it is to have many different kinds of people in a society. Do you understand? It's like saying, wow, look at all the unique things we bring to the table. We not only notice and appreciate these differences, but also make an effort to understand and respect each other's backgrounds, cultures, and points of views. It's about creating a friendly and welcoming space where everyone feels valued no matter our differences. Okay? Now let's look at cultural exchange and understanding. Cultural exchange and understanding involve sharing and learning about different cultures. It's a process where people from diverse backgrounds interact, exchange ideas, traditions, and values. The goal is to promote mutual respect, break down stereotypes, and foster a broader appreciation for the richness of global cultures. This exchange helps build bridges of understanding and cooperation across borders. Do you understand? Cultural exchange is like swapping stories, traditions, and values with people from different backgrounds. It's about learning from each other to build understanding and respect. This helps create connections and appreciation for the variety of cultures around the world. Okay? Cultural exchange and understanding are like discovering the cool things that happen when people from different cultures share their stories. It's about realizing that when we learn from each other, we build a stronger connection. You can imagine it like trading stories, traditions, and customs with friends from different places. It's about learning from each other to become more aware and respectful of their diverse ways. Okay? This sharing helps everyone appreciate the beauty in our differences. Do you understand? Now let's look at education for national unity. Education for national unity involves teaching and learning that promotes a shared identity and responsibility among citizens. It includes lessons about a country's history, values, and the importance of working together for the common good. The aim is to instill a sense of pride, understanding, and commitment to the well-being of the entire nation. Education becomes a tool for fostering unity and a shared sense of belonging among the people of a country. Do you understand that? Education for national unity means learning about our country's history, values, and why it's important for everyone to work together. It's like teaching everyone to be proud of where they are from and to care about making our country a better place for everyone. Think of it as learning about country story, what makes us who we are, and why it's cool to work together. It's like school lessons that show we are all in this together and understanding that helps make our country a great home for everyone. Do you understand that? Now let's look at conflict resolution and social responsibility. Conflict resolution means finding peaceful solutions when there are disagreements. And social responsibility is about everyone doing their part to make their community better. Okay? Conflict resolution is like figuring out problems by talking calmly instead of arguing. And social responsibility means everyone doing their part to make our community better, like picking up trash or helping neighbors. It's about teamwork for a nicer place to live. Okay? You can imagine conflict resolution is like using words to solve problems, not fights. Social responsibility is everyone chipping in to make our community better, like being kind and helping each other out. It's a teamwork for happier and friendlier place to live, okay? Do you understand? So today's lesson on national unity, we understood everything we talked about, right? We looked at the meaning of national unity, diversity and inclusion, cultural exchange and understanding, education for national unity, and lastly, conflict resolution and social responsibility. So we understood everything we talked about, right? So remember, it is important to work together, okay? To stay united, work together despite our differences. We should also learn from each other's culture, okay? To stay united. Learn about your country history. Do you understand? So next we are going to be looking at our assignment. I'm sure we are going to be able to do our assignment, right? Okay, that is good.